Now we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to my last video, when the price was within this range, I mentioned that if we want to buy, the first things we want the price to drop and break this low. Okay, as we can see, this is what we were talking about, what we get. That's why I mentioned we don't buy within this range. Let the price break this low, then after the breakout, if we see any trade setup, we can look for buy. And the another option was to have entry above this within this range. Okay, now as we can see, the price drop, and the based on daily chart, we didn't get any trade setup. The only way traders, they could take the trade to trade from here. Okay, but it depends on the traders whether they get or not. If they get, right now I think it's not moving really good. At least they should know that May the price can drop for the bigger correction or even reverse. Okay, if they take the trade from here, they have to start to manage it, because in case it's not, I mean, because since it's not moving really fast at what we expected. No, if we want to get the trade based on 1 hour chart, for me, if this one continue, we cannot get the trade. Can we have entry above this? The only way, I mean, we can try, but what we expect, we want the price to sharply break and continue. Okay, this is in case the price start to move from here without giving the big, I mean, trade setup. But for me, if I see they start to correct here, another a few hours, if we get the start to correct here, any buy we will take it. And we, after the breakout of this, if this is not moving fast, then I will see what I mean, we take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade. That's why now, as I mentioned, if anyone wants to have a trade above this, what they want the price tag and continue. If not, they shouldn't take the trade, or I mean, they shouldn't keep the trade. Okay, can we put our trend line here? All right, this is also what we need to bear in mind, that those traders based on 15 minutes I mentioned, they get the trade from here, they should be aware that maybe the price can drop. Okay, that's why they have to know how to manage it. Can we expect one move down? Still we can expect it. That's why we cannot jump into the trade right now. We need to get the trade correction. Okay, whether the correction is the breakout or not, we don't need to care about the breakout. If we get any correction based on 1 hour chart, we get the trade. Okay, and now we don't have any trade setup, and we should be aware maybe this one is a bigger, we get the bigger correction. Okay, and how about if I move to forward chart? We don't have much changes here. The only thing is we want to see whether this is the only correction and this is the start of the move, up move, or we will have these two relative to each other for one move down. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart and we see within a few hours, can we expect the correction here? Can we get the trade set up for the next move or not? Okay, in this way, if I see any changes, then I will share. Thanks.